What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday morning here. Taking a look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, we've had some crazy price action. Ran up a lot. Yesterday was kind of choppy. Didn't trade the morning, and then this morning going up a little bit, kind of going sideways here at the moment. So you can see the P&L. Things got a little silly. Didn't trade yesterday morning, stayed out of that, and thought I had a bright idea of getting long in here, and yeah, over was fine. Honestly, took one trade, had a $200 stop, and then decided to add, move stop, and rest is history. And we took oversized loss on that, and then hit DLL. Then last night actually had a nice long position. I don't even see the open. It was somewhere, yeah, here and there. I think it was like around here, but yeah, we're long, so we're up 1,000. So basically we're at the same spot as we were before. So sizing down here this morning, looking at 2 MNQ. Let's see if we can find some sort of setup on this. Hard to say. We're kind of flagging right now, going sideways, holding this 29,338 level. If we look at the daily here, bounced off that, broke above it, rejecting these upper levels here. Yeah, definitely some lower volume. I mean, we had a crazy move, so you'd expect kind of a slowdown here. Look at the 4-hour, hourly, we're coming back down, retesting that 9 and 20 convergence here, previous hourly high. We do have a new hourly candle here in about 11 minutes as well. But yeah, let's wait, let's watch, and we'll see if we get something here this morning. We'll see you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy one here right before the open of the hour, thinking we get a pop here at the open. See if I'm correct on this. New hourly candle open. I'm gonna see if we push higher off this rather than lower.
Order filled.
Take 2 on that. We are bumping into the moving averages here. Risking 100 on this, so nothing too crazy.
Order filled.
Yeah, no go there. Ended up pushing lower off that. Was just thinking here, the idea, I mean, the hourly, yeah, it doesn't look great. We closed over the 9 and the 20. The way the 15-minute closed here, higher volume, almost hammer-esque. We've kind of been trending this here as well. So looking to see if that would hold and we can get a push back up higher here. But we're just breaking lower off that. It's all right. Try the idea, risked 100, accepted the risk, didn't move stop, and that's fine. See if maybe it holds this hourly gap right here. May find support in this area. Wick that 30-minute low. May have been the right idea, but just wrong timing on that. Put in a 1-minute wick, didn't make a new low, closed higher, wick these levels here. May have just needed to let this play out or look for the long a little bit lower here. Yeah, breaking that, getting back above it now. Kind of going against the trend here. Try this long here if we get a dip into it.
Order filled.
I was hoping for the close. Okay. All right. We got the close over. Stop under the low here that we put in. We'll try this idea one more time on the long. If we get stopped out, that's it. Seeing if this is going to hold, play out. High volume on that wick, close within. Getting back within this. See if they're going to hold this here. If they send it down lower, then, you know, it is what it is. But we're going to try it here. See if we'll reclaim. Smaller time frame. See if they can push it back higher here. Look for a move back over to 558.25 here if we even get close. Might hunt this low right here.
Order filled.
Yeah, it took us out again there on the long. So not playing out. Dropped again. We're just kind of grinding lower here. So against the trend. But we're seeing if we had a little bit more strength at that open of the hour if people wanted to step up there. Looks like that's not the case. So the long is a no-go there for us. $100 stop on 2 trades there. So yeah, we're going to be done with the long there. If anything, we'll look for a short. And before this is the bottom though. Other stop out. Got a 5-minute previous candle low right there.
Order filled.
Let's try it on the short side here. Let's try that previous 5-minute. Put the 5-minute up right here. This might be just taking out everyone longing and first with the short, and then they're going to send it long.
Order filled.
There we go. We'll add our second one there. And we'll see if they're going to send it higher now. We potentially longed before it went down and shorted before it went up. The old classic. This price action is terrible right now. I just, it's tough for me to not, for 2 days in a row. I didn't trade yesterday morning or record anything. So I'm like, okay, well, we're not going to do it 2 days in a row. I could easily just not sit here and do this, but we are, and we're down 200 off that, chipping our profits from last night. But let's at least try and be with the trend here and see if that helps us. See if we can get that drop back down into 450 or so here. Unbelievable. I mean, okay, we'll risk 112 on that. We'll move it slightly. $12 more. That's it. Just watching these levels here, the lows. Yeah, not loving this here. Swept this into that hourly gap.
Order filled.
Absolute garbage. Absolute garbage on that. I mean, we're still up on the day, but you know, that silly stuff the other day. But I mean, this is just terrible. This is just terrible here. Tried the long that we got stopped out of. I don't even know what price. 478.50 and 486. Oh yeah, we got stopped out the low right here. Oh yeah, that's pretty incredible. I didn't even realize that. We got bottom tick stopped out here on the long. And then we just got stopped out on the short up here. Probably not going to reject. That's what happens with these markets. Just this is not the same. You see this chop here compared to obviously a trending market. Buying the dip or shorting pops. I mean, it's not the same here. So, I mean, shame on me. I don't know. I didn't want to not trade in the morning for 2 days in a row. And so I'm trading this and it's not great, as you can see. We're just in this same spot here. I mean, decent range on each candle, but not good price action there. My idea for the long, I mean, that's what I was looking at for this to kind of run through here. Needed that little bit bigger of a drop on the initial one, and that got bottom ticked on this, unfortunately. I should have put my stop under the high of this candle at least. So 76.25. Stop should have been like 73 or 74. And I'd still be in this long right here. We got in at what? Got in at 504. Yeah, we'd be up like 30 points. That's what should have happened. Or I should have just waited to get long here once we swept this candle. Anywhere in the 480 range. So definitely could have played that better. Let alone the not fantastic price action here. But yeah, I guess that's going to be it. Yeah, 762 realized on the day. Took a few losses there, 3 losses, $100 on MNQ sizing down. And yeah, title maybe clickbait today, up $762, and then you're just gonna see 3 losses. So hope you guys traded better. Like, subscribe. Real trading, you know, it is what it is. That's what happened today. And see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.